finally making a remake of this 12-inch Climate Keeper table fan. This is like the third fan I ever got. I've had it pretty much forever, and definitely shows because it's pretty beat up. I made a video of it right when I started this channel, but quality was pretty poor, so I'm finally getting around to making a new one. And there's a video of it on my old channel too, in like the first video. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the first. But like I said, it's pretty beat up. The badge broke off when I was a little kid, and I put these two screws in to hold it on. Probably should have just glued it. There's the back. Definitely needs to be cleaned. It's been quite a while since I did that. But for a cheap fan, it works surprisingly well, so. Actually, there's the bottom of it. The base actually screws on this, whatever you call it here. I used to think there were wall hooks under there for like hanging it on a wall because I have an SMC table fan that's like that, but nah. Of course, my neighbors just had to start blaring music. But anyway, there's the date sticker, 0207, and information, desk fan 12-inch, model F-1230, made in China, of course. And I don't think this one has the right blade on it. I have a similar fan branded Essential Home, and I think at some point I accidentally switched the blades. But I don't know. This is the one I have on it now, and it's probably going to stay that way. So anyway, I'll turn it on now. 3 speeds. Here's high. I mean, it is somewhat quiet for a newer fan. Medium. And low. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.